Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
It is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef. She's Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making stovetop candied yams. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of water, 4 large, narrow sweet potatoes, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of corn syrup, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 3 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1/4 of a teaspoon of allspice, and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. You're going to cut your sweet potatoes into 1-inch pieces. Now we're going to get a bowl of water. You want to add your tablespoon of vinegar to it. Now we're going to add in our sweet potatoes. Now you're just going to go ahead and mix them around in your water. And now you want to let them sit in your water for 10 minutes. So soaking your yams in vinegar water, it keeps them from turning brown, it washes them, and it also prevents them from overcooking. After 10 minutes, you want to go ahead and drain the water from your sweet potatoes. Once you drain your sweet potatoes, you want to put fresh water in your bowl, and we're going to add our sweet potatoes back to the bowl and rinse them off. Now we're just going to go ahead and rinse them and then drain them. Now you can set them to the side. To a large pot, I'm going to add in my 4 tablespoons of butter. And I'm going to let that melt. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your 4 cups of water. And go ahead and mix it. You can add in your light corn syrup. White sugar, your brown sugar. We're going to add in our vanilla extract, our allspice, and our cinnamon. Now you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to let it come to a simmer. Once it comes to a simmer, you can begin to add in your sweet potatoes. Once you have all your sweet potatoes in the pot, just want to go ahead and push them down into your sauce. Now you can place your lid over top, and you can set your heat to medium-low, and we're going to let them cook for 40 to 45 minutes. And guys, you don't want to stir them, you just want to let them cook for that 40 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 45 minutes. I'm going to turn my heat off. Our candied yams are now done. As you can see, the sauce is thickened up. Okay guys, so here we have it, our stovetop candied yams. These are so delicious. I wanted to show you guys just how soft they are. They fall right apart. These are really good. They're perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?